hot, hot, hot grilled cheese and bacon jalapeno poppers. Yes, 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 double yes.
Real simple grilled jalapeno wrapped in bacon. This is great for tailgating.
Yes. You can do these ahead of time. You can grill them at home and just wrap them in foil and take them for your ball games.
That's right.
So we cut the tops off and de-seeded 6 jalapenos. And if you would grate your pepper jack cheese,
Okay.
I will be chopping us up a couple of tablespoons of cilantro.
Okay.
And that's all that we're gonna put in these jalapenos. You can be a little original. You can really kind of use any kind of cheese you want to.
I like the heat. I like a little spice. So
Yeah. So
I'm pretty much always going to use a pepper jack whenever I'm grating cheese. Especially for this. I mean, that's the theme of that.
Yeah, you got hot on hot, don't you?
Yes. All right, I've got about a half a cup of this cheese grated here. Do you think that's enough, or do we want more?
Yeah, son, throw it in that bowl. So in goes the cheese and the cilantro. All right, we've got some wooden skewers, y'all, that we've had soaking in water. That will help prevent them from catching on fire. All right, so we're gonna take our jalapenos and we're gonna take our cheese and we're gonna stuff them. And then I'm just gonna put this top back on it, Bobby. And then I'm just gonna run that skewer up it. And I've let my skewer, y'all, see it just barely peeping out. And now we're just gonna take our bacon and y'all, I'm gonna start at the top. And you wanna make sure, y'all, that you bring your bacon so it'll cover that cap. And then just spiral it down. I ain't never met a pig I didn't love, Bobby.
Grill's starting to get nice and hot.
Good.
You want me to test one?
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, these are gonna be great.
There you go, son.
Now, these are only gonna take a few minutes. We're gonna roll them around on the grill just enough to make that bacon nice and crispy.
I'm the sissy in the family. I can't eat stuff that's real hot, but these are like addictive.
Well, today's your lucky day.
I know. These are like addictive.
So y'all stick around.
Yes, 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 double yes. Y'all, just look at these bacon-wrapped jalapeno poppers. Look here, look here.
And you know what? They're really pretty, too. Don't you think?
Oh, I think they're beautiful. Let's get them off, Bobby. And I just can't wait to taste. And now, Bobby, we've got one little problem.
What is it?
It's too hot for me to eat.
Well, why don't we blow on them?
Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, Bobby. Oh, Bobby, Bobby.
Oh my gosh. Told you these things were great. Ooh. It's burning the crap out of me, but it's worth it. Oh my God. Mine came out of the...
Love them. Love them. Bobby. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.